Hey everybody, this is Alex Merced from alexmercedcoder.com, and in this video I'm going to continue on with learning Ballerina, but I want to take a moment to kind of show you guys how to spin up a full-on Ballerina project. So basically I have a folder called Ballerina. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to CD my terminal into that folder. Okay, and basically if you wanted to create a new Ballerina project, just type in Ballerina new. Okay, we'll just call this project 2. And this will create a new Ballerina project. Okay, so see, now I can go into CD2. So what you'll find in there is your Ballerina TOML file. So here you can actually like configure dependencies and all sorts of cool stuff in here. Yeah, so that's what that does. A git ignore file. That's going to ignore your target folder because that's where all your compiling output goes. And then your source folder, which right now has nothing. So we CD into project 2, CD project 2. Okay, and then here you can start creating modules for the different parts of your program. So let's create a couple modules. So I'm going to do Ballerina add. So add is for adding a module. So I'm going to do Ballerina add. I'm going to add, well, let's say a hello world module. Hello. So, and now in my source folder, there's going to be a new folder called hello. Okay, and then right there's the main file. So, and I see it already starts off with the hello world function. I'm gonna do something a little bit different though. I'm gonna show you that you can use stuff from cross modules. So I'm gonna create another module called my funcs. So Ballerina add my funcs, where I'll add all my functions. Okay. So there, I'm gonna go over to my funcs. I'm going to delete the main function because I'm not going to run this particular module. And just do function hello. Okay, take no parameters. Okay, and basically what this will do is io.print line hello world. So this will actually be the hello world function. Okay, and I just need a semicolon because Ballerina cares about semicolons, and that script is all set. Okay, so again, that's in my funcs. Now I don't have to import it since it's part of all the same project. I have stuff accessible, so I can actually just invoke that function here. So I'm going to comment this line out since I'm not going to use it now. And now if I type in hello, let me just make sure it's the right name as before. So right now it's not seeing it. Hello render find function hello. What did I call it in the other file? Hello. Okay. Oh, I forgot to make it public. That's why. So public. If you hear my bird, that's my cocktail Wally in the background. Okay, and let's see here. That's still okay. Actually, I just said the thing. I just think you do have to import it, but I just think it's import my funcs. Is that right? There we go. Oh, no. Oh, yeah, that's right, because we have to do this. My funcs. Hello. And there we go. So I import my module, and then I can use it like that. That's how you use the module. My funcs hello. And then if I want to run a particular module, I just type in Ballerina, and instead of saying run a particular file, I'm going to say run, this is the hello module, so and Ballerina run hello, and it runs the module, and see there we get hello world. Okay, so yeah, and again the main function is going to be treated as sort of the starting point of your program. So I'll leave my main function there, that would be the bulk of my program, and I can use other modules to create sort of supplemental functions, interfaces, objects, all sorts of fun stuff. But yeah, that's the basics of just kind of structuring it's kind of similar to software structures in Java, which makes sense because this runs in the Java virtual machine. But it has a lot of cool syntax that you might enjoy from other languages. So overall, so far I am liking Ballerina as a language quite a bit. And I look forward to making more videos working with Ballerina. So I'll see you guys later on. Ciao.